Building a DIY drip irrigation system is a cost-effective and water-efficient way to keep your garden hydrated. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up your own drip irrigation system. Materials needed. Drip irrigation kit. Available at garden centers or online. These kits typically include tubing, emitters, connectors, and stakes. Main tubing. Usually 1/2 inch diameter, for distributing water from the source to the planting areas. Emitter tubing. Smaller diameter tubing, 1/4 inch, that delivers water directly to the plants. Emitters. These control the flow of water to the plants, available in various flow rates. Connectors and fittings. T-connectors, elbows, end caps, and couplers to connect the tubing. Pressure regulator. Ensures the water pressure is suitable for the drip system. Filter. Prevents debris from clogging the system. Timer. Optional, automates the watering schedule. Steps to build the system. 1. Plan your system. Layout. Sketch a plan of your garden, marking the locations of plants and the pathways for the tubing. Decide where to place the main tubing and where the emitter lines will branch off. Water source. Determine where you'll connect the system to your water supply, garden hose or faucet. 2. Assemble the main line. Cut tubing. Cut the main tubing to fit the length of your garden beds or rows. Connect to water source. Attach the main tubing to your water source using the appropriate connectors. Install a pressure regulator and filter between the water source and the tubing to ensure clean, properly pressurized water enters the system. 3. Lay out the main tubing. Position tubing. Lay the main tubing along the rows of plants, securing it with stakes. Secure and connect. Use T-connectors or elbows to navigate corners or splits in the garden layout. 4. Attach emitter tubing. Cut and connect. Cut lengths of emitter tubing to reach from the main line to individual plants or groups of plants. Use hole punchers to create openings in the main tubing where the emitter lines will be inserted. Insert emitters. Attach emitters at the ends of the emitter tubing and secure them near the base of each plant. 5. Install emitters. Select emitters. Choose emitters based on the water needs of your plants, e.g., 1 GPH, 2 GPH. Insert them into the emitter tubing. Place emitters. Position emitters near the root zone of each plant, using stakes if necessary to keep them in place. 6. Cap the end of the tubing. End caps. Place end caps on the ends of the main tubing to prevent water from escaping. Ensure the system is sealed to maintain pressure. 7. Test the system. Turn on water. Slowly turn on the water supply and check for leaks or blockages. Adjust emitters if necessary to ensure even water distribution. Check flow rates. Make sure all emitters are providing the correct amount of water to the plants. 8. Set up a timer, optional. Automate watering. If using a timer, program it to water your garden at optimal times, such as early morning or late evening, to reduce evaporation. Maintenance tips. Regular inspections. Check the system regularly for leaks, clogged emitters, or other issues. Clean or replace clogged emitters as needed. Seasonal adjustments. Adjust the watering schedule and emitter flow rates based on seasonal changes and plant growth stages. Winterization. In cold climates, disconnect and drain the system at the end of the growing season to prevent damage from freezing. By following these steps, you can build an efficient and effective drip irrigation system that conserves water while keeping your plants healthy and well hydrated.